Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 10 of the chapter number system. In this part 10, we will solve the questions from exercise 1.3. We have already solved question number 1 while learning representation of real numbers in decimal form. Now, we will continue from the question number 2. Here, the question is, you know that 1 by 7 is 0.142857 bar. Can you predict what is the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 without actual doing the long division? If so, how? This is the question. Okay. For this, there is a hint. Okay. The hint is study the reminders while finding the value of 1 by 7 carefully. So, you need to know the reminders while finding 1 by 7, what would be were. So, when we go for finding 1 by 7, 0 point, so we will get first here 0, so 7 ones are 7, so 3 is the remainder. So, carefully watch, this 3 is the remainder, then 30, 7 4s are 28, now 2 is the remainder. So, if you keep observing the reminders here, remainder was 3, here remainder is 2. Now, let us continue by keeping 0, it becomes 20, 7 2s are 14, so 6 is the remainder now. So, when I continue further keeping 0, it becomes 60, 7 8s are 56, now 4 is the remainder. Now, moving on further, it becomes 40, 7 5s are 35, and now 5 is the remainder, and moving on further it becomes 50. Let me write that 50 here, 7 7s are 49, again I got 1 as the remainder. So, now watch the reminders. I got 3, 2, 6, 4, 5 and 1. These are the reminders, and the value of 1 by 7 is 0.142857 bar. This recurring number is the value of 1 by 7. Now, what is the 2 by 7 value? What would be the value of 3 by 7? And what would be the value of 4 by 7? What would be the value of 5 by 7 and 6 by 7? Without actual division, can we guess? And I have already told you regarding 2 by 7, it will have the same digits, that is 1 4 2 8 5 7 repeating, but in a different order. What is the order? I have already told it is 2 8 5 7 1 4. This is the value of 2 by 7, where same digits are repeating, but in an order differently, like 2 8 5 7 1 4. This 1 4 is coming here. Why? How? Can I say it starts from here somewhere? This 7 1s are, 7 4s are is missing. When the remainder is 2, from there 7 2s are 14. So, when the remainder is 2, from there this 2 by 7 value is starting. Now, let us see what would be the 3 by 7. Where is the remainder? Remainder is 3. So, that starts from 4, right. So, when the 3 is the remainder, then in quotient the decimal digit 4 has come. So, I say without division it starts from 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1 is the value of 3 by 7. So, 0.428571 in the same order will be keep repeating. Now, when it comes to the 4 by 7, now watch the amongst them, which is the remainder 4, here is the remainder 4. When remainder is 4, you got 7 5s are, so 5, it starts from 5. So, 0.57142.8, this same digits will repeat in this order 571428, 571428 and so on. Now, when it comes to the value of 5 by 7, so it will be starts with the remainder 5. When the remainder is 5, I have 7 7s are 49 taken. So, it starts with the 7 and order of the digits changes now. 7 1 4 2 8 5 is the order of digits where repetition happens. So, 5 by 7 is 0.714285, 714285, 714285, 714285 and so on. Now, when it comes to the value of 6 by 7, it will be 0. Where is the remainder 6? If the remainder is 6, 7 8s are 56 was taken. So, it starts with 8 and now order of the digits will be 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2 and so on. So, without actual division, with the help of just 1 by 7 division, we could find rest of the values of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. This is the reason and I have already explained why and how also. Okay? Then, this way we can find in many of the occasions such as 22 by 7. What is the value of 22 by 7? If you want to find, it is 3 integer 1 by 7, isn't it? 3 integer 1 by 7 is 22 by 7. So, it is 3.142857. So, we get 1 by 7 just added to 3 because 22 by 7 is nothing but 3 plus 1 by 7, 3 plus 0.142857 bar. So, you can find so many other decimal forms of rational number where the denominator is 7. That is it. Okay, children? I hope you have got this idea. Then moving on to the question number 3. Question number 3 is express the following in the form of P by Q where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Watch the sub questions in it. Each of them is non-terminating but recurring decimal numbers. Now, the procedure I will give you procedural way of doing as well as there is one shortcut also. Okay. If you are all interested, I will tell you shortcut too. Okay. Now, 0.6 we will assume, let us assume 0.6 bar as x, that means 0.666 and so on. Here we learn the two important words period and periodicity. Now, here period is 6, the digits which are repeating in the same order and number of digits repeating is called periodicity. and I told you 10 raised to the power of periodicity to be multiplied to the value of x. So, we got 10x. When I take 10x, the point shifts from left to right because x is multiplied by 10. So, 6.66 and 6 so on, and from this I have to subtract the x value by here placing 0.666 and 6 so on, decimal point under decimal point and place values under place values. Now I got 10x minus x is 9x equal to, these decimal portions will get cancelled. I got 6 minus 0 as 6. Now x equal to 9 is multiplying, if it comes the other side of equality it divides. So 6 upon 9 is the value of x. After simplifying, both 6 and 9 will get cancels with the 3 because their HCF is 3. So 3 2s are 3 3s are gives 2 by 3 as the simplest form of 6 by 9. Therefore, 0.6 bar, this non-terminating recurring decimal number, can be expressed as 2 by 3 in P by Q form. So, this is the way we do in long procedure in a normal traditional way. Okay. Now, what is the shortcut? Let me explain you shortcut. Here is the shortcut. You have shortcut to understand. There are two cases. Case 1, if all the digits in the decimal portion are recurring. This is the case 1. That means here in decimal portion I have 6, so 6 is repeating, where in this question in decimal place I have 4 7, 4 is not repeating, only 7 is repeating. That comes as a case 2. Okay, this comes under case 2, where in this in decimal place I have got 0 0 1, all 3 digits, that is 0 0 1, are repeating in the same order. So, this is again case 1. Okay. So, this is the one important thing you have to understand. In case 1, write the number as it is, subtract from that the digits which are not repeating, 0 is not repeating here in integer portion, divide it by number of digits. Okay. Write the number of digits here, write periodicity times of, write the periodicity times of 9s. Okay, 9s to be written, write the periodicity times of 9s. Here periodicity is 1, so 1 9 I have to write. So, 0.6 bar is 6 minus 0, that means 6 by 1 9, only 1 time 9. So, it is in short 2 by 3. This is what we got here, 2 by 3. Okay. Now, same in the case of this 0.001 bar is, we write as it is the whole number minus which are the digits not repeating, this 0 is not repeating, upon how many digits are there repeating, or periodicity is 3. So, 1 2 3, so periodicity times. So, 0 0 0 1 means 1 only, 1 minus 0 is 1, upon 999. This will be the P by Q form of 0.001 bar. Okay. This is the simplest way, shortcut. We will practice some more questions. Okay. You will come to know. You can cross check by taking some examples. Okay. Then let us see the case number 2 after doing traditional method. Okay. Children, here before going for traditional method of solving, this is to be done. You know, we assume let x is 0.001 bar and here periodicity is 3. So, I have to multiply this x by 10 to the power 3, which is 1000. So, 1000 times x becomes, this point shifts. So, it becomes 1.001. Okay. And x is taken to subtract from this 1000x. So, 0.001 bar. So, this decimal portion cancels. So, 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1000 x minus x is 999x and the value of x is 1 upon 999. Okay. So, this is how it is done in traditional method, and in shortcut also you have solved it. Now, let us go for case 2. Case 2. Okay. What is the case 2? If sum of the digits in the decimal portion are not recurring. So, what to do in this case? Now, this is the example 0.47 bar. You know, in this, let us assume x as 0.4 only 7 bar, which means 0.477777 and so on, correct, where periodicity is only 1. If periodicity is 1, then I have to take 10 times x. So, 10x is 4.7777 and so on, and from that x is to be subtracted, where 0.4777 will come. When we do subtraction, here these 7s will cancel, but in 10th place 7 minus 4 will be there and it gives you 0.3 or 0.3. 4 minus 0 is 4 and 10x minus x is 9x, and further we have to find the value of x. X equals to 4.3 by 9. This is not there in the form of p by q, though it is there. P and q are not integers. So, to make it integers, I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 10, and 4.3 when it is multiplied by 10 it gives 43, by 9 into 10 it becomes 90. So, the value of x is that, therefore, I can say 0.47 bar, only 7 bar is 43 upon 90. So, this is the P by Q form of 0.47 bar. Now, what would be the shortcut? Coming to the shortcut, 0.47 bar, whenever there is a second case, we write the whole number digits, the digits of that whole number as it is, subtract from that the digits which are not repeating in the same order upon periodicity times of 9, and how many digits are not repeating in decimal portion. This is decimal portion. Okay, in decimal portion only 4 is not repeating. That means how many digits are not repeating in decimal portion, that many zeros to be kept. Okay, that means 0.47 bar, here 4 is not repeating, so I kept that one time, one digit is not repeating, so that one time 0 I have kept. So 47, 047 means 47, 47 minus 04 means 4 by 90, 47 minus 4 is 43 by 90, therefore 0.47 bar is 43 by 90. This is the P by Q form. You got the same one here, 43 by 90. So, this is the shortcut. Okay. Then we have some more salt here. I will give you one example. 0.234, only 34 bar. How to solve this? So, 234, that same 0234 minus 02 by 99, because periodicity is 2 and here only one digit is not repeating, so that 0 comes. So, 234 minus 2 by 990, it becomes 232 by 990, and cancellation 1, 2, 1 za, 2, 1 za, 2 6 za by 2 4 za, 8 and 1 comes here. So, it becomes 19, 2 9 za, 18. So, 116 upon 495, if you do, you will get 116 divided by 495, if you do, you will get 0.234, 3434 only repeating. Okay. So, this is how we do in shortcut. You can do it this, you can check once in traditional method also. Children, with this I will wind up the session. Okay. And from the question number 4 we will solve in our next class. Till then, take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.